Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot for CRM inside your mobile app. Full guide step by step clearly. Open your mobile app store. Search for HubSpot in the search bar. Download the HubSpot CRM application. On your device's home screen, locate and tap on the HubSpot icon. Once the app opens, select the Get Started button. Next, you will see the option to sign up. Choose to sign up with an email address or use an existing account. If signing up with an email, enter your email address. Create a strong password that meets the security criteria. After filling in your email and password, tap Next. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from HubSpot. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the HubSpot app once your email is verified. You may be asked to fill in personal details, such as your name and company information. Complete the required fields and tap Continue. Follow the prompts to set up your account preferences. If available, select any tools or features you wish to include. Once you have completed all steps, tap Finish Setup. Your HubSpot CRM account is now successfully created. Explore the various features available within the app. You are now ready to start managing your customer relationships efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.